Hello Macaulay. Welcome to our channel. Today Nama Honda City Oda Review Pakalam. First engine and transmission Pathe Pakalam. Engine type Pathing and a 1.5 LIVTEC with VTC petrol engine. Engine displacement Pathing and a 1498 cubic centimeters. Fuel type Pathing and a petrol and diesel Kuda Thurakanga. Max power output Pathing and around 119.35 bhp at 6600 rpm. Emission norm Pathing and a Bs6. Max torque 145 Nm at 4300 rpm. Number of cylinders 4. Transmission manual and automatic. Gearbox 6 speed. Drive type FWD, paddle shift not available in city. Curb weight 1107 to 1153 kilograms. Next performance and fuel economy Pathe Pakalam. Mileage, Array, 17.8 kmpl. Next brakes, steering, suspension and tires Pathe Pakalam. Suspension front McPherson strut with coil spring. Suspension rear torsion beam with coil spring. Brakes front ventilated disc. Brakes rear drum. Steering type electric Kuda Thurakanga. Minimum turning radius 5.3. Tire size 185/60 R15. Alloy wheel size R15. Tire type Pathing and a tubeless radial. Next interior dimensions Pathe Pakalam. Seating capacity 5. Doors 4. Boot space 506 liters. Fuel capacity 40 liters. Next variants and price tag Pathe Pakalam. VMT variant Pathing and a around 10.99 rupees lakh. VXMT variant Pathing and a around 12.45 rupees lakh. ZXMT variant Pathing and a around 13.44 rupees lakh. Next walk around view Pakalam. Next interior view Pakalam. This is Vinu Chakravarti signing off. Thank you. Save trees, save motoring.